And that's for everything else.
You know, because I could get used to that.
Yep. Turns out all we needed was a little more this.
You shushed all of me.
Well, you know, most here. New leg is my handiwork. Just a dash of your kooky flair thrown in for good measure. Here we go. Welcome home.
You rebuilt it?
Yeah, found your designs. Not too bad. Wait, knife you! Here he is.
What is it? What is it? Huh? You want to take it for a spin? This is Burke. You'd have to be crazy to move here.